Trump got the opportunity to open. Chicago Tigers lineup. Mithans were lucky to get that aid from the middle order. There goes Mukhtar Ahmed. Welcome and hello. Wake up call. That's the early caffeine from. Nicely cut away. He's found the gap. Look at that crunchy shot for. Oh, he's plugged that one. Will be a chase. No way. He's stopping that. Can have a good takeaway always from a season. There's that two full delivery. Allows him that chance to free his arms, and that's the first biggie in the league who's got wide range. Going down again, that's poor delivery. I hope there's a fielder, but Mukhtar Ahmed just will send it to row, just few boxing. That's launched up, straight up in the air. We'll have to see if there's the keeper. Yes, the season, this is skied high. The question is, has he got the distance? Looks like that. And the experienced players who represented MLC and different parts are lovely timing there. He's found the gap to allow him to take that direction, keeping the fielder there. Just like that, that's skied high. The question is if someone's under the ball and will make it theirs. And yes, who is it? And the captain himself. They run for Houston Hurricanes. Takes on, no look shot there. That's audacious from Saif Badr, was in the slot, has no hesitation. 3 games they lost. That's a classic drive by Saif Badr. You little beauty. How well. Innings to grow. And lovely shot there again. No chance for the fielder there. Stop running and just savor upon the shot. Fit. That's a good delivery, and Somendas gets better by Rahul Basu. Flighted full toss. Saicharit Dagupati. Change of pace. The umpire is in the danger line there. That's hit firmly. When the fielding's not been up to the mark. Cut that. That's cut away. And there's a fielder there. Everything's been timed to start scoring. Scoring big. Has got hold of that one. That's going to be left open without using. Look at that. Look at that. Just goes flat for a 6, I reckon. Has connected that. Has he put that in the gap? Chasing fielder, diving effort. That'll still go. Calvin Savage. Oh, this has gone downtown and we'll get a big one. Starting with Joshua Trump. Looks Raj Vyas, who collected Sai Charit, the best in the game. Right arm fast, straight away, has found the gap there. There's no running behind that. There's no use running behind. Striker in his second game, bowling in the second over. Gets down Mithansh Nityanandam. He's not shy of that. He is launched it as a cannon there. Goes the distance out. But there are a few batters who are naturally gifted with timing. And Mithansh Nityanandam looks so and does so with this one more boundary there. Having the Jai Desai trying to go big. Has he found the gap here? Looks like that. The Hurricanes batters thoroughly enjoyed. And now it belongs to, oh, you beauty, the shot of purity. Irfan Pathan and Pakistan cricket team, Umar Akmal and Kamran Akmal. Matthew Trom's been taken down for a ride there. That's been going to run away to the boundary. Reviews, they've always told that there's never been miscommunication between them. But Jai Desai goes high, goes long, but not long enough to get 6 runs. And the areas the bowler is going to attack is going to make a real-time difference. Depicted by Mithansh Nityanandam. Knowing where the fielders are, he goes high. Does he go handsome? No, he does not. It's Jai Desai who nicely swept away into the breeze. The fielders there finally. The youngsters in the team or the top of the slip fielder, and they'll run away for 4 runs. He swept that away well. Again will be a long run for the fielder this time. Big boundaries here. Has he hit the wicket there? I see something flying off. Forget about it. But Shivam Sani, they want to get 2 wickets at the same time, but not practical. And hello to Calvin Savage to the crease here. Greetings given to 1 wicket in every over. And this is the prize possession they'll be looking for. What a stylish stroke from Calvin Savage. Use of the feet. Goes big. That's humongous. You close your eyes and I'll tell you the result. A 4 through the covers and then the cow corner. Rahul Basu goes long, goes straight. And what a catch. What a catch from Matthew Trump. That's full toss going in the direction of Matthew Trump. Where is he finding? Is it the ball who's batting or bowling? He's got that pace and natural drift of the surface. Look at that one. And cleaned up. Last love by Mukhtar Ahmed. Quicker through the air. And the passage of time, this is the last 3rd over in the slot. Yes, it is in the Mukhtar Ahmed in his final over before he calls it off a day and cleans up. Tries paddle. That's so bad here. They are just making fun out of the batting of Chicago Tigers here. It is really beaten. Later on, it was Mukhtar Ahmed for Usman Shenwari.
2024 Minor League Cricket Championship presented by Yash Technologies.